Okay. Write down in your notebook. Coordinate geometry section formula. Module number 10, B10, booster 10. Everyone should be perfect this 10 modules. Don't forget about that. What is section formula? Listen carefully. There is a line segment. There is a line segment AB, and this having endpoints x1, y1 and x2, y2. So this line segment divides. You want to divide in a certain ratio. You want to divide this line segment in a certain ratio. That ratio I'm calling M1 and M2. Some people are calling M and N also. Certain ratio you want to divide. Then here one point will be there. That point I am calling x comma y. Try to understand. X comma y always we are calling point of division. Then to get this coordinate, try to understand. This point already given. This and this already given. And ratio also already given. Then you want to find this point. For remembering, I told you a technique. To get this coordinate, listen. To get this coordinate, x equal to mx plus mx by m plus m and y equal to my plus my divided by m plus m. Then what we used to do? Can you tell me? We used to add what? 1, 2 and 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 1. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. This is what we are calling section formula. 1, 2 and 2, 1. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. This is what we are finding. Right on. Draw the diagram and write the formula. Draw the diagram and write the formula. From there to here, what you done? Huh? From here only that one he ran, I think. Please write the section formula. Right. This is what we are calling section formula. Next line. Write it quickly, single boy. Do it. 38. Right on. If we want to find the ratio of the point of division, if we want to find, still no, you didn't write. Who were you? If we want to find the ratio of the point of division, if we want to find the ratio of the point of division, if we want to find the ratio of the point of division, if we want to find the ratio of the point of division, then we take the ratio as, Then we take the ratio as, Saras, check your parent WhatsApp. Then we take the ratio as k is to 1. Then we take the ratio as k is to 1. That means, all of you, see x1, y1 is given, x2, y2 also given, and point of division also given. If it is given this all, see previous case, don't get confused. Previous case, they given this extreme point and the ratio is given. We want to find this. But this case, what? This all the points are given. We want to find the what? The ratio. Important question, be careful. So we take the ratio as what? K is to 1. In this case, what is x equal to? Tell me. X equal to k x2 plus x1 by k plus 1. Y equal to what? K y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Even if you are using this also fine. But for better calculation, you can use this one to find the ratio. Find the ratio if it comes, you people are right, kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, y equal to k y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Write it. Everything will do the question, don't worry, we'll make it perfect. Who baby came, I think, no? Oh, this too. Where you'll sit? Wait, you stand up from there. You'll play from the chair you take and sit. Now give the space. Give me the chair. You have to go for gym, okay? Go backside. Right on. Run. Next line. One more note is there. Can you tell me what is the one more note? Midpoint. And the midpoint of AB. Anush, where were you last class? Yesterday? Anuj? Homo. Right on. Next line. I told you year after, irrespective of the batch, whatever schedule I am sending, if possible, try to attend it. Because yesterday I discussed trigonometry table related questions. I told you to attend it. Level 1. Now level 2 will come. That I didn't upload. I have to check it. It is downloaded or not. This. Sorry, yesterday what application trigonometry? Yeah. It's downloaded, I think. Many download pending is there. Okay. See, midpoint of AB. Tell me, midpoint of AB. What is the formula midpoint of AB? Tell me. X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. This is what midpoint of AB. X value added by 2, Y value added by 2. This is what we are calling midpoint. I hope everyone understood this whole formula. Now we people are doing the question. Are you ready? Question read, understand. That's very important. Now time is 4:50. Can we start? 18 questions are there. This question, if you are making perfect, I can give 100% guarantee. Section formula, you won't face any issues. If any question, if it is coming for the board exam, maximum I added in this. Question number first one. Read, understand. That's very important. Now look there and here. Question number first one. You share and check. Question number first one. Does read the question. Simply don't sit here. Question number first one. Find the coordinates of the point. See, the question when you are checking, you can see Immediately draw the diagram. No need to wait for me. A is given 4 minus 3. Basic students, be careful. This type of questions will ask. B 9, 7. And ratio is given. Ratio what? 3 is to 2. We want to find the point of division. We are calling XY. All of you draw the diagram. Scale, no need to, simply don't waste the time. Please make it fast to save the time. This extreme point always we are calling x1, y1. Mark in the diagram. This is what x2, y2. And this is what our m1 and m2. This is what our m1 and m2. This is what our m1 and m2. Ready? Now, formula. What is x equal to? Tell me. X equal to, tell me, what is the formula? Think about 1, 2 and 2, 1. Easily you can remember. Tell me. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Those who are confident can carry on. No need to wait. It is a basic question only. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Everything is there in front of you. Just substitute. Addition, multiplication, subtraction. Company won't be responsible. That you people have to do. That's only the problem, you know. One, two, two, one. 1, 2, 2, 1. Like that you have to think about. Easily formula you can remember. Three into 9. 2 into 4. 3 plus 2. 27 plus 8 by 5. 35 by 5. What is x? Everyone got x? How much? 7. Okay, very good. X equal to 7. You got no lollipop for this. Next, y you find. Where is Sabakabhadra? Any idea? You again run for some other meter?
Hello.
Still alive?
Yes.
Next, y equal to. Please find y equal to. Axa is not there. Annette, Axa, MES girls. That's a leg problem. Y equal to. After 10th, if you want, I'll give the job holding that one side. Are you ready? Y equal to 3 into 7 divided by, don't make mistake, I told you calculation. 21 minus 6 by 5. How much? 15 by 5. How much? 3. Equal to 15 by 5. So y equal to 3. So we got x value and y value combined together. Adija. Therefore, P 7, 3 is the point of division. P 7, 3 is the point of division. P 7, 3 is the point of division. Those who finish it, continue. Second question. First y question. I'm doing together 5. So those who already finished can carry on with the next question. What is given? Understand. Everything understand. Then draw the diagram. Diagram will help you a lot. P minus 1, 2. See, it's a good question actually. Point of division is given. A is given. And B, we want to find B. B normally we are calling x2, y2. The extreme point normally we are calling x2, y2. 3 is to 4. This is your x1, y1. This is your xy. and x2, y2 already given, and this is what m1 and m2. Read the question. Already point of Mustafa, already given point of division. Statement is there, I'll tell you. Diagram, anybody have doubt, let me know. It's a good question. There is extreme point we want to find. Point of division already given. When you're copying, write it perfectly. P minus 1, 2. Given that P minus 1, 2 divides.
Question number? Wait.
Question number, which one? Where is your worksheet? Worksheet is with you? Listen here, second question. Given that
Okay.
P minus 1, 2 divides. Given that P minus 1, 2 divides AB in the ratio 3:4. The Ponnara Habibe. You see, P minus 1, 2. This is what P minus 1, 2. P minus 1, 2 divides. P minus 1, 2 divides AB in the ratio 3:4. Ratio already given. Ratio, if it is given, you people have to use this formula. Okay, now everything what you know, substitute. Tell me, what is the formula? Therefore, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma, y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute whatever things you know. Chris, you know Excel? How much? Minus 1. Substitute everything what you know. Accordingly, you substitute. X value you know, then is x equal to minus 1. Okay. Only you don't know x2. Minus 1 equal to 3 into x2. We don't know x2. m2 is what? 4. So 4 into 2 divided by 3 plus 4. Simplify, you will get the x2 value. Everyone simplify. So you got x2 value. Simplification you have to do. Camera is going. Who got the? Same way do y2. Same way do y2. Minus 1 into 7 because denominator transposed. 3x2 plus 6. Minus 1 into 7 equal to 3x2 plus 6. This is what? Minus 7. Sorry, this is 8, you know. After teaching you, I also forgetting. Minus 8. 3x2. Minus 15 by 3 equal to x2. What is x2? Minus 5. Do quickly the second part by yourself. Second part by yourself. Those who newly joined the 16th Saturday, we have tested. Topic and all group again will update. There is some easy chapter, weightage for the board exam, 45 mark, easy chapters. There is trigonometry we added, I think. Yeah. All the easy chapter, real numbers, probability, statistics, like that, circles. What about the second part? Y equal to, that is 2 equal to 3 into y2 plus 4 into 5. x1, y1, x2, y2, don't get confused. 3 plus 4. 2 into 7 equal to 3y2 plus 20. 14 minus 20 equal to 3y2. So minus 6 by 3 equal to what? y2. What is y2? Minus 2. Therefore, you have to write the coordinate. What is the coordinate to B? Tell me. Therefore, B minus 5 comma minus 2. Check. Anybody have problem? Let me know. This is what our second question I mean. Now, third question we are doing. Those who everyone try to do, whether right or wrong doesn't matter. If it is wrong, cut and write it. Question number third one. Initially, we are doing up to fifth question. Third question now. What do you mean by trisection? 3 equal parts. Trisection means 3 equal parts. Bisection means 2 equal parts. Like that only. Trisection. Question number 3. Question number 3. Those who have doubt, listen to me. First, you people out write the extreme coordinate -5 is 6 and B4 minus 3. B4 minus 3. When you are copying the point, once you copied the point, you have to check on again any mistake is there or not. I done everything you think, but don't make a mistake. Trisection means those who have doubt, listen, others can proceed. Trisection means 3 equal parts. 1, 2, this 3. 3 equal parts you can see. 3 equal, only 2 points will be there. 3 equal parts you can see. What is the 3 equal parts? First part, this one, and this one. 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Anuj, tell me, Anuj, here how many equal parts? 2. Here how many equal parts? So you can take the ratio either 2:1. That is your choice. Or you can take, Pranita, how many equal parts? 1. How many equal parts? 2. It is your choice. So I'm taking here. This is what you told, 1 equal parts. This is how many equal parts? 2 equal parts. So we got the ratio. Okay, Navina, we got the ratio. And this we are calling what? X1, Y1. This always we are calling X2, Y2. But we'll see. And here the point of division. Please draw the diagram. After that I'll tell you. Arun, square. Draw the diagram. After that I'll tell you. Mana, anything special? What? Batch open means now revisions running. No revision, I don't care. All are joining and all. Maximum revisions will be there. I told you up to the pre-board maximum will disturb you. Then we'll ask after the pre-board again will disturb. After the pre-board will separate sometimes based on your school performance and all. Right on? Let P and Q are the points of trisections. Let P and Q are the points of trisections. Let P and Q are the points of trisections. Let P and Q are the points of trisections. Let P and Q are the point of trisections. Let P and Q are the point of trisections. Clearly, P divides. Clearly, P divides. Statement is very important. Clearly, P divides. Tell me, P divides AB in the ratio what? 1:2. That is your choice where you want to cut. If you want, you can cut here or you can cut here. Okay, Anum Birla. So if you are taking, what will say Birla? Q divides what ratio? Q divides AB in what ratio? Here 2:1. But no need, only 1. If you are finding, after that we can use midpoint formula. Okay. P divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Sorry, 1:2. Therefore, by section formula, P coordinate, I am writing the formula together. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Normally, we people are writing separately. Here I wrote together. It's not compulsory. If you want, you can write separately also. So P coordinate we are finding. This is your M1 and this is your M2. Once you got the P coordinate, let me know. Everyone, please try. Okay, try. Everyone, try. Here, what is M1? What is M2? We people are finding P. So, P 1 into 4 plus 2 into -5 by 1 plus 2. 1 into -3 plus 2 into 6 by 1 plus 2. Simplify. P coordinate 4 minus 10 by 3 minus 3 plus 12 by 3. So P coordinate minus 6 by minus this one. Is it? Then 9 by 3, 3. D minus 3 plus 12 plus 9. P minus 2 by 3. First point you got. Please place that in the diagram. Minus 2 comma 3. Correct only, no? How many you got? Then everybody got, I think. Made a mistake? Clear. Now we can tell about Q. Q is not it. Now Q, if you are using 2 is to 1, no problem. But better than that one, I suggest. Listen, Q is what? Q is what of PB? Q is midpoint of PB. So we can use midpoint formula. Next line. Clearly, Q is midpoint of PB. Even if you are using section formula also, no problem. Clearly, Q is midpoint of PB. PB. Porbandar. Q is the midpoint of PB. Q is the midpoint of PB. Q is the midpoint of PB. Write it quickly. Q is the midpoint of PB. Therefore, Q coordinate I am going to find. Hello, midpoint of PB. PB. So P and B coordinate you have to add. What is the P coordinate here? Minus 2. What is the coordinate here? 4. So minus 2 plus 4 by 2. See, midpoint means x value add. After that, y value add by 2. Then it's finished. So, comma. Then 3 plus minus 3 by 2. So, Q coordinate minus 2 plus 4. Sribhadra, what is minus 2 plus 4? 2. 2 by 2? 1. 3 plus minus 3 what? 0. This is the coordinate. 1 comma 0 is the coordinate. Then conclusion. Conclusion. Therefore, points of trisections are. Therefore, points of trisections are. Points of trisections are. According to the order you write. What is first coordinate? P. What is P? Minus 2, 3 and Q 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. See. Question number 4th one. 4 equal parts. A and B is given. Minus 2 comma 2. B 2, 8. 4 equal parts if it is coming. Easily people can manage. That is very simple only. 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts when you are making, you come in the middle. 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts if it is there, easily you can manage it. This is what 4 equal parts. Draw the diagram. 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts if it comes, you can use midpoint. No need a section formula you want to use. Draw the diagram. Question number 4th one. Let P, Q and R. See, 3 letters only, but 4 parts will be there. Let P, Q and R divides AB into 4 equal parts. Let P, Q and R. Let P, Q and R divides AB into 4 equal parts. AB into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Siddharth, what you can say about Q? Q is what of AB? Q, what we can say? Midpoint. Actually, ratio, if you want, you can take. This is how many parts? 2:2. But 2:2 means it is midpoint. Okay. So, you don't need to take ratio. What you can tell through the Q is what? Midpoint of AB. Clearly, Q is midpoint of AB. Clearly, Q is midpoint of AB. Clearly, Q is midpoint of AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, midpoint of AB you took. So, only that coordinate. Therefore, by midpoint formula, Q, dot, midpoint of AB. Tell me, what plus what by 2? Tell me, minus 2 plus 2 by 2. Be careful, x value add by 2, comma, y value add by 2. How much Q coordinate? Tell me, 0, comma, 5. Please place in the diagram. Please place in the diagram. It is a Q coordinate 0, comma 5. 0, comma 5. 0, comma 5. Anybody have doubt, ask me. Simply don't write anything. Monisha, tell me about P. P is what of what, Monisha? P is what of what? Midpoint of AQ. Very good. P is midpoint of AQ. P is midpoint of AQ. Then have any problem? P is midpoint of AQ. Find AQ. Take AQ, midpoint of AQ. Mahbub, what is your name? Mazin. Okay. See, midpoint of AQ. Then Mazin, tell me. P coordinate, tell me. P coordinate, midpoint of AQ. Tell me. Take first this one. Tell me. Minus 2 plus 0 by 2, comma 2 plus 5 by 2. Midpoint of AQ. Midpoint of AQ. So P coordinate will be minus 2 by 2 minus 1, comma 7 by 2. You no need to make in fraction. That's enough. If you want, you can place here minus 1, comma 7 by 2.
Sir, isn't it 0, 5?
0, 5 is Q.
0 plus 5.
Q coordinate. That is Q coordinate. Q 0, 5, you know.
Yeah, so won't it be 0 plus 5 by 2?
1 minute. How 0 plus 5 by 2? We people are adding. Maisha, we people are adding x value. See, this is your x value. Minus 2 plus 0 is what? Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, not a 0. Now, midpoint of AQ we are finding. See, midpoint of AQ. A coordinate minus 2, 2. Q coordinate what? 0, 5. So, midpoint of AQ means x value added by 2, y value added by 2. I hope you understood it. Minus 2 plus 0 by 2, 2 plus 5 by 2. Correctly, no? Maisha is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we can say, Neha, tell me, R is what, Neha? R is what of what? Midpoint of QB. R is midpoint of QB. R is midpoint of QB. Where are you coming? R is midpoint of QB. R is midpoint of QB. R is midpoint of QB. Tell me R coordinate QB. QB. This is Q. This is B. Tell me what plus what by 2. Tell me 0 plus 2 by 2. Comma 5 plus 8 by 2. You people non it write in decimal. 2 by 2, 1, 13 by 2. Clear? Therefore, required points are right according to the order, not what you got. According to the order, which letter first? P. Therefore, point of divisions are or required point. Therefore, point of divisions are.
I got like same values for the next QRs.
No, bro. Therefore, point of divisions are. What is the first point? Tell me. P minus 1, 7 by 2. The second coordinate 0, 5 and third coordinate 1, 13 by 2. So how you got not like that? You people have to write what? According to the order which one is there in the diagram. Clear? Next question. Fifth question. How many equal parts? 5. Previously, last 4-5 years paper, if you are checking 2-3 times this question asked. 5 equal parts. How many points needs for 5 equal parts? 4 points is enough. 4 points. All of you wrote this? Point of division, sir. Okay. Draw the line segment. A 1, 2, B6, 7. No midpoint. B6, 7. 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P, Q, R, S. Draw the diagram. After that, I'll tell you. Draw the diagram. Here, nothing is midpoint of what? AB. Previous question, it was Q is the midpoint. Here, nothing is midpoint. First, use your common sense. If it is there, listen. R is not the midpoint of AB because here, how many equal parts? 2. Here, how many equal parts? 3. R is not midpoint. So, we cannot use midpoint formula. Initially, we have to use what? Section formula. After that, we can think about what? Midpoint. Okay. So, can I cut here? How many equal parts? 2. How many equal parts? 3. Now, initially, we have to use section formula. X1, Y1. First value always X1. And this is what X2, Y2. And this is what M1, M2. Only the diagram statement is that right. Statement is that right. Draw the diagram. Where's your diagram? Everything is equal space only. When you're drawing, please make sure. But you can cut anywhere. Khadija, I cut here, so we got a 2:3. If I'm cutting here R, what will be the ratio? 3:2. If I'm cutting at S, what is the ratio? It is your choice. Anywhere you can cut it. Okay? Can I start? Let P comma QR and S. Let P comma Q and RS. Let P comma Q comma R and S divides AB into 5 equal parts. Divides AB into 5 equal parts. Clearly, Q divides no, let him write that one. Why you are disturbing him? Armstrong. Clearly, Q divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Clearly, Q divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Clearly, Q divides AB in the ratio 2:3. That Q only we want to do. Remaining things are easy. What is the therefore by section formula? Therefore by section formula, tell me Q. What is the formula? Tell me M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Anam, Birla, tell me this value M1, M2. You tell me. I need your help. M1 is there. Everything is there. Tell me what into what plus what into what by what plus what. 2 into okay, very good. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 1. Okay, divided by what? 2 plus 3. Ideal. Tell me what is the second part? 7 plus by 2 plus 3. Everyone, please complete it. 12 plus 3, 15 by 5. 14 plus that is 20 by 5. So we got the Q coordinate 3, 4. Q coordinate 3, 4. Please place in the diagram. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Please place in the diagram 3, 4. So, are there any problem? No. Afros, tell me about P. P is what of what? Midpoint of AQ. P is midpoint of AQ. You finished now? I understood from your action. P is midpoint of AQ. 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 Hiba, help me. Midpoint of AQ. Therefore, midpoint of AQ. Only you tell me the value. P coordinate is what? AQ midpoint. 1. Midpoint of AQ. Just midpoint I will find this midpoint AQ. Tell me what plus what by 2 comma what plus what by 2. No midpoint I'm saying. Midpoint why you're using 2 into. Midpoint of AQ. 1 plus 3 by 2 comma 2 plus 4 by 2. So once you got 1 point, easily you can use midpoint. Okay. So how much P? Tell me. 4 by 2, 2 comma 3. Please place the diagram. Everything you have to place the diagram. Then only you can. This is what 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Now here many people are making mistake. That's why listen carefully. A. Understand what I'm saying. R is, excuse me, listen. R is midpoint over QS. R is midpoint over QS, but unfortunately we don't have the coordinate over S. Am I right? So what we can say, R is midpoint of, can I tell PB? Can I say PB? Now you check it. PB. PB means, R is the midpoint of PB means this distance and this distance are equal. Okay, Neha? Why I didn't take this one? R is midpoint of QS because we don't have the value of, yes, that's the reason. That's why we are taking what? R is midpoint of PB. Next line. R is midpoint of PB. 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 Meha. R is midpoint of PB. Tell me R coordinate. PB. PB. What plus what by 2 comma what plus what by 2? 2 plus 6 by 2 comma 3 plus 7 by 2. This is R. R value 8 by 2 4 comma 5. This much only question asked, but we are finding everything. 4 5. Like what about S? S is the midpoint of RB. S is the midpoint of RB. Next line. S is midpoint of RB. S is midpoint of RB. S is the midpoint of RB. S is midpoint of RB. Tell me, Mustafa, what is R coordinate? Sorry, S coordinate. RB, midpoint of RB. Tell me S coordinate, Mustafa. Midpoint of RB. Then tell me what is S coordinate? Midpoint formula. What plus what by 2, comma what plus what by 2? No, midpoint of RB. What is the X value added by 2? Y value added by 2? What is X value? X value is what? Midpoint of RB. No, this is the X value 4. Here the X value is 6. Tell me. Tell me R code S coordinate is what? 4 plus 6 by 2 comma 5 plus 7 by 2. This is the midpoint. X value added by 2. X value added by 2 and Y value added by 2. Yes, Maisha. So what is S coordinate? Tell me. 10 by 2, 5, 6. 5, 6 is the coordinate. Mustafa, you understood the midpoint formula? You understood the midpoint formula? X value added by 2, Y value added by 2. Harun, Dinesh, Chris, clear? Conclusion. Conclusion no need. They didn't ask. They asked what a PQRS is. What is it? So everything is there. Just underline everything. The answers you underline because they are asking what is P comma Q comma R and S. So I hope everyone understood it. 1 hour over. We'll see what we can do. Next question. Question number 8th one. Everything will do. Don't worry. 8th one. They're asking the ratio. If they are asking the ratio, what we are using? K:1. Read the question and accordingly draw the diagram. Question number 8th one. Question number 8th one. Question number 8th one. What ratio -4:6 divides A -6:10 and B 3-8? This normally we are calling x1 y1. Point of division always we are calling x2 y2. Sorry, point of division always we are calling x comma y. Whenever ratio they are asking, you just use K:1. Draw the diagram. After that, I'll tell you. Whenever they are asking ratio, you have to use K:1. Let P -4:6. Many people still didn't open that test portal, MCQ platform. I'm checking every day. Very rare people only open that one. If you are not practicing MCQ, you will face a lot of issues. How much mark you score, it doesn't matter. Every day, 2-3 times you have to open it and check. And how much mark you, then you can understand what is your correct answer, what is your mistake. Then next exam, when you're writing, maybe the same question sometimes will repeat. At that time, you can directly hit the answer. So when you're going for the exam, you can save the time. 30 minutes time, 20 MCQ, already 200 MCQ added. So you can minimum test, not a 10 test. You can write 15 or 20 tests because every question will shuffle there and here. I'm going to make it tomorrow. Sometimes it will be 100 more question will add. So it will become 300 question. So like that, you open every day 3-4 times you open whenever you are getting time, then you will be expert in MCQ. Then only case study will be the issue that we can solve. Don't worry. Let P -4:6. Let P -4:6. Let P -4:6. How to write P -4:6? Everybody knows, I think. Divides AB in the ratio K:1. 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 Therefore, by section formula, x equal to kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, y equal to ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. This is the formula. Everything you know, just substitute. And actually, first one is enough. But to make sure second one is correct, by the way, somebody asked, yo, who is coming from Esdan Oasis? Anybody is there? Esdan Oasis? Nobody other? Okay, somebody asked me. Okay. ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. What are things you know is substitute? Jude, you know x value how much? X value. Check the diagram. X value is what? X equal to something is written, not like that. Tell me the value. X how much? How much it is? No, X, there is a value. Here x1, y1, x, y, x2, y2. Towards x, which value is there? Substitute it. -4. K we don't have, but x2 we have. K into 3 plus x1. x1 is -6 by k plus 1. I replaced the value of x, x1, x2. Now cross multiplication. Navina, tell me the cross multiplication, Navina. K plus 1, you take this side. Tell me. -4 into k plus 1. Tell me. -4k. -4. Very good. Right side. 3k -6. Now all of you, all the k value keep together. -4k minus 3k equal to -6 plus 4. -7k equal to -2. This cancelled. K equal to how much? 2 by 7. Your ratio is what? 2:7. But to make sure you are right, do the second one also. Second one also you should get the same thing. If you are not getting same thing, you will be wrong or question wrong. You decide what. Question is not wrong. Question wrong, you will get a full mark. But you have to attend. Question wrong means you don't cut it. Every question you attend. Whether right or wrong, every question you attend. Even if you are not getting the answer also, something you write, Avinid. If you don't know the answer also, you just write, I don't know. Because when you are attending, mark will be there. Same procedure you apply for the second part also, you should get the same answer. Now, Alcor, 2-3 people are there. You just plan, then you can, one can pick, one can drop if you want to attend the physical. Y value. Okay. What is Y value? 6 equal to K by 2, K into minus 8 plus 10 by K plus 1. Cross multiplication. Tell me cross multiplication. 6K plus 6. Don't forget to multiply to K as well as 1. Okay, Aditya? Don't forget about that. So, minus 8K plus 10. 6K plus 8K equal to 10 minus 6. 14K equal to 4. K equal to 4 by 14. What is 4 by 14? 2 by 7. Then conclusion, record ratio 2 is to 7. Therefore, 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 record ratio 2 is to 7. So, both the case we got same answer only. Next, question number 18th one. Question number 18th one. Everyone read the question, understand the question, then only you have to answer it. Question number 18th one. P is the midpoint of AB. That's the initial thing. 18th question. P is the midpoint already given. 18th question. A minus 10, 4. P is the midpoint. Good question this one. Minus 2, 0. P is the midpoint of AB. One minute. The midpoint P of the line segment joining P lie on the line segment what? CD. All of you. This P, all of you, lie on the line segment CD. C minus 10 minus 4. D minus 4Y. Let it don't get confused. Only midpoint of AB only. Midpoint of AB only. And after that they are asking, find the ratio P divides and also find the value of Y. Diagram you draw. Diagram you draw. Don't forget. It is midpoint of what? AB only. Don't forget. Easy question, but a good question. Right on. Given that P is midpoint of AB. Given that P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, P coordinate you will get. P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. What is your worksheet? What is written? P is midpoint of AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, P will help me. P, Siddharth, tell me. P, what plus what by 2, comma, what plus what by 2? It's not there. Tell me the value. P is the midpoint of AB means then P is what? Okay, very good. Minus 10 plus minus 2 by 2. Comma. Minus from where it came? 4 plus 0 by 2. Is it? So P coordinate how much? Minus 12 by 2. 4 by 2. What is P coordinate? Tell me. Please place in the diagram. Minus 6 comma 2. Please place the diagram. Minus 6 comma 2. But still we didn't answer it. Question is not this one. Question is what? P divides CD in what ratio and the value y? Is it? So what ratio? What ratio? Yes. K should be up, 1 should be down, because CD when they are asking K should be up. Next line. Let P minus 6 2. Please mark in the diagram. P minus 6 2. Let P minus 6 2 divide CD in the ratio. Let P minus 6 2 divide CD in the ratio. Let P minus 6 2 divide CD in the ratio. What? K is to 1. Now all of you, I request you write here, this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2 and this is what xy. Xy, don't get confused. Okay, this is the ratio. Please write it. Please mark in the diagram. Our focusing on towards CD only. x1 y1, bottom x2 y2, and point of division we are calling x comma y. Tell me, what is the formula? X equal to, tell me, what is the formula? X equal to kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1. Y equal to k y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Substitute everything. Here y2 is y only, don't get confused everything. What is x value? X value is what? Minus 6. K we don't know. What is x2? X2 is what? Minus 4. Everyone try. What is x1? Minus 9 by k plus 1. Simplification. Are you finished? Minus 6 into k plus 1. Minus 4k minus 9. Minus 6k minus 6 equal to minus 4k minus 9. Or k term you keep together. Don't make a mistake. Question is very good question. Only I'm really afraid of your calculation part only. Tell me what k? Minus 2k equal to minus 3. K equal to what? 3 by 2. What is the ratio? 3:2. Now we want to do second part. K value we got, we have to substitute. Be careful about this type of question. Anybody have problem, let me know. Simply don't copy from the board. K equal to 3 by 2. K equal to 3 by 2. Write it. What happened? K value just now you got Mustafa substituted. Here already you can't find a K out because Y missing is the 3 by 2. 2 when is going down, so 3 by 2. Y value we have 2. This is the Y value. 2. K value just now you got 3 by 2. Y2 is what? Y. Y1 is what? Minus 4. Y 3 by 2 plus 1. Don't make a mistake the second part. Second part, all of you listen, especially those who have doubts. K value we got 3 by 2. Y value, this is the Y value. This is the Y value, not this one. That's the Y2 value. So 3 by 2 into Y. Now everyone better you can listen because I know you will make a calculation mistake. So be careful. Be careful. Calculation mistake should not be there. Kubair. 2 equal to, don't write, 3y minus 8 by 2 divided by, how I got this one? Here you can see 3 by 2. 2 and minus 4 multiplied. What is 2 and minus 4? Minus 8. So all divided by 2. Now down also you have to do the same thing. Tell me. 3 plus 2 by 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel. Clear or not? LCM I took. What is balance? Tell me. 2 equal to 3y minus 8 by 5. Now 5 you transpose, then you proceed. Remaining things you will get it. Anybody got y value? Simply don't copy every minute calculation. Try to understand. What happened like a problem? So,
Section of line is just one, so no, just for the last one.
three y minus 8. Here the value is the y value.
It's not given. Right is by right.
Yes, y is 2. Three y minus 8. 3y minus 8. Y 6. Simplify it. 2 into 5 is what? 10. Anybody a calculation doubt? Let me know. Let me know. So this will be 10 minus 8 when you're transposing plus 8 equal to 3y. 18 by 3 equal to y. So y equal to 6. Answer for the question. We are asking for the ratio. Tell me, what is the record ratio? 3 is to 2. 3 by 2 means 3 is to 2. Therefore, record ratio 3 is to 2. Write it. Record ratio 3 is to 2. And value y equal to 6. Record ratio 3 is to 2 and value y equal to 6. 2 by 3 never comes. 1 minute, just hold it.
But I still got 6. And the ratio will be used to.
No, question try to understand. CD divides when they're telling you should place K here and 1 here. CD divides when they're asking. Be careful about that. Initially, I told that. CD divides if they're telling K should be up. If DC if they're saying, no, CD divides when they're asking K should be here. DC divides means K should be here, like that. Next question. Question number 10th one. Question number 10th one. Yeah, Habibi. Dekho. Question number 10th one. If you are not checking the worksheet, I'll take from you. Then I'll give those who are checking. Because some people are here without worksheet. Now I'm observing that one. Then directly I'll come and take the worksheet from you. Question number 10th one. Read. What is the 10th one? M11y lies on the points. Important question, previously asked it, 2-3 times asked. P15, 5 and Q 9, 20 M11y. Already point is given. We want to find what is the ratio. What is the ratio? K is to 1. Question number 10th one. This is your x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. This is your xy. Those who are confident, please carry on. Yeah. Statement is important. Ready? Let M11y divides PQ in the ratio K is to 1. The same way how we done before. Let M11y divides AB in the ratio K is to 1. Sorry, PQ in the ratio K is to 1. Let M11y divides PQ in the ratio K is to 1. Tomorrow, anybody have any class? That is it. 9 to 10, most probably one module will come, night. You won't sleep, no? Vehicle test is there, no DPS? Okay, we'll see later. M11y divides PQ in the ratio K is to 1. Mass vehicle test already over, no DPS? M11y divides PQ in the ratio K is to 1. Therefore, by section formula, X equal to Kx2 plus X1 by K plus 1, Y equal to Ky2 plus Y1 by K plus 1. Substitute everything. What do you know? X value, how much? What is X value? 11. K into X2, 9. Plus 15 by K plus 1. Do the cross multiplication and identify the value of K. I mean, you are absolutely wrong. All the best. Is right? Correct only, but K value don't write like that. Correct only, I mean. Oh, I'm so happy now. Okay, when you're crossing, what about your exam, Badra? What chapter? Application trigonometry? Trigonometry? That's almost everything got now. 11K. Cross multiplication when you're doing, people are forgetting to multiply with the K plus 1. Okay, is equal to 9K plus 15. 11K minus 9K, 2K equal to 4. K equal to what? 2. What do you mean by K equal to 2? What is the ratio? 2 is to 1. K equal to 2 means 2 is to 1. Don't forget about, at the end we can write. Now please do the second part. Anuj, you got the second part? Yeah. Yes. Correct only. Now Y value. Y value. Y equal to K value we got 2. 2 into 10 we 1 into 5. 1 into 5 divided by K plus 1, that is what? 2 plus 1. 45 by 5, sorry 3. Y value how much? 15. So conclusion, therefore record ratio So record ratio 2 is to 1. Only 2 means 2 is to 1. And the value of Y equal to what? 15. I hope everyone understood. Now, giving the option, you people can ask me any doubt because we don't have that much time. That's why. Any question, if you want, you can ask me. Question number 11th one. Question number 11th one. Question number 11th one. Question number 11th one. Read it. Read it. Question number 11th one. P divided. Question you read, understand. Nan A minus 2 comma minus B. Don't forget minus B is there. And divide question number 11th one. A. 3A plus 1 comma minus 3. Anybody asked which question? Who wants to know? Abdullah. That one? Armstrong? There is some... B80A5. B80A5. Ratio is given 3:1. You want to find the value of A and B. Ratio already given. So what formula we use? M1H2. So everything you mark in the diagram. Who is this? X1, Y1. Hospital. Who is this? What's the letter we are using? XY. What about this? X2, Y2. And this one, M1, M2. Given that P divides AB in the ratio 3:1. Given that, but you can try. If anything happened, I told you, triple N is free. Ambulance very quickly will come. You try. After doing this problem, if anything happened or any attack or something, don't worry. Qatar is far advanced. The ambulance will come very quickly. P divides AB in the ratio 3:1. After first pre-board, I'll categorize you people. Then don't tell me at that time, she is there, that category, I'm there. Because of your performance only, I'm categorizing it. If you are not performing well, if you are not ready to work, why I should keep in in different batches? Given that P divides AB in the ratio 3:1, therefore by section formula, X equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2, Y equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Please make it fast.
Only one people.
So why you are writing board exam then? I'll conduct the exam, so I'll categorize based on my exam. Eh? What you asked? Eh? What is X? What happened? What is X? Nan A minus 2, 3 into 8A plus 1 into 3A plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Nan A minus 2, 24A plus 3A plus 1 by 4. What happened? What is the question is written in that? Give me that worksheet if you don't want. Now cross multiplication. 4 into 9, 36A minus 8. Don't forget to multiply both. 27A plus 1. 36A minus 27A equal to 1 plus 8. 9A equal to 9. A how much? 1. Some people are telling 3, 4 like that and all. Addition subtraction company won't be responsible. Now do the second part. Do the second part. First part check those who didn't get. Got to be how much? Then why you're sitting like that? I thought everything you got. I think so. Y value is given in the question minus B. 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 by 3 plus 1. minus b equal to 15 minus 3 by 4. 12 by 4 how much? 3. But it is minus b. Therefore, b equal to how much? Minus 3. Minus b equal to 3. So, b equal to what? Minus 3. Tell me, anybody have any other question? Question number 6th one. Question number 6th one. Question number 6th one after this. Check, anybody have problem, let me know. Meha, what happened? Problem? 6th one. Meha, Neha, any problem? Question number 6th one. Hiba, everything okay? 6th one. Again diagram. 6th one. There is a line segment. P is a point. A12, A12, B67. A12, B67. Or if you draw the diagram, I have a question. Out of 80, you got 50 mark. First, you people don't have any confidence. Then how I can? Out of 80, you got 50 mark. Then how much you missed? Out of 30, you missed. Out of 80, 30 you missed. Am I right or not? Now, everyone, please observe. Please observe. AP is 2 by 5 of AB. Everyone try to understand. AP is 2 by 5 of AB. That's what I got here. AP equal to 2 by 5 of AB. AP is what? 2 by 5 of AB. Then what about BP? 3 by 5 of AB. Is it? Again. AP is what? 2 by 5 of AB. This one, 2 by 5 of AB. Or if you try to understand, this is what? 2 by 5 of AB. Then of course it will be what? 3 by 5 of AB. Therefore the ratio is what? 2:3. The ratio is what? 2:3. Right on? Given that AP equal to 2 by 5 of AB, 2 by 5 AB, corroborative is a part of that. Right on? Given that AP equal to 2 by 5 AB, given that AP equal to 2 by 5 AB, therefore BP equal to, tell me, well, BP equal to what? 3 by 5 AB. Therefore the ratio M1 is to M2 equal to what? 2:3. 2:3. So M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to what? 3. That only the thing. You got ratio. Now you can find the P coordinate. Therefore M1 is to M2, 2:3. Clear? Next line. P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. That is P divides. That is P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, by section formula apply. I am writing together P coordinate. What is the formula? What is the formula? P M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by everything I am writing together. If you want, you can write separately and you can combine. This is the advantage of the module. Each module we are taking one concept and we are teaching that. What is the answer? Mistake is not there. You also got the same. P 2 into 6 plus 3 into 1 divided by 2 plus 3. 2 into 6, 3 into 1. I mean, you slept. 2 into 7
ഇല്ല.
2 plus 3. Rehan, are you there? 12 plus 3, 15 by 5. Oh, mashallah. Yesterday's morning treatment is affected, I think. 15 by 5. 14 plus 6, 20 by 5. What is P? 3, 4 is the point of division. The same question only we done 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. From there only this question came. So P 3, 4 is the point of division. Clear? Next one, seventh one. Seventh one. Monisha is very happy today. What happened? Now, how many of you made a WhatsApp group? I told you all, some people already made it. Make it a small WhatsApp group and discuss each other, each question. This out today, especially our booster modules. You just 2, 3, 4, 4 pens. Just to discuss in that one. Then this how to do, that how to do, like that you can discuss each other. Then make it perfect. So P3, 4 is the point of division. Question number 7th one. Mustafa, it is not a copying competition. Okay. 7th one. Same concept only we are using 7th one. P divides 7th one. That forget about that one. A, B, A2, 1, B5 minus 8. This much is given. And P lies on the line. P lies on the line. Last year this question was one of the questions came. Exactly, I don't remember. Okay, draw the diagram. After that, I'll tell you. Previously, one question we done in the midpoint. Because, write it. Ready? Jumana, what is given in the question? One fraction, something is given. How much AP by AB? Wait, she is telling AP by what? AB, not a BP, no? AP by AB, Jumana, you have to answer it. AP by AB is given 1 by 3. Don't help her, let it tell. AP by AB is given 1 by 3. Then what about BP by AB? Let it tell. See, AP by AB is given 1 by 3. Then what about BP by AB? Do. This is 1 by 3. Then what about how much balance? Your name is Jumana. Tell me. Why? Total how much? 3. Out of 3, this is the one part. Of course, the remaining part will come from here. Is it? Okay. That one. Given that AP by AB equal to 1 by 3. First, what I am asking to you, that you answer properly. Given that AP by AB equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, what by what? Tell me. BP by, just like previous question, at that time AB were that side. That will be the difference. BP by AB how much? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Therefore, what's the ratio? 1:2. Therefore, the ratio 1:2. Therefore, the ratio 1:2. Everyone understood, I think. Clear? X1, Y1, X2, Y2. We want to find P. What is the statement? Avinit, what is the statement? Let P divides AB in the ratio, given the, P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. 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 Use section formula, identify P. What is the section formula? Tell me. P M1 X2 plus. Now you learn the section formula, midpoint formula. That's the advantage of each module. Chapter, every time I used to tell, chapter taking is not that much important, just finishing the portion. But after chapter finishing, the revision. Revisions, not only this one, there is a second round revisions also will come after the pre-board by adding more advanced questions and all. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Everything you have substitute. P 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2, comma 1 into minus 8 plus 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2. So P coordinate 5 plus 4, 9 by 3 minus 6 by 3. What is P coordinate? After this one, I will tell you 3 comma minus 2. Here one statement is there. X value and Y value go to 3 comma minus 2. Ready? Here itself is also, P is also a point on the line. There is a line is there. P 3 comma minus 2 is also a point on the line. P 3 comma minus 2 is also a point on the line. P 3 comma minus 2 is also a point on the line. P 3 comma minus 2 is also a point on the line. What is the line name? 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. X value you have, y value you have, substitute. This is your x value, this is your y value. Substitute. Then let me know. X value 3. Here k is not the ratio, just say letter only. 2 into 3 minus minus 2 plus k equal to 0. 6 plus 2 plus k equal to 0. What is k value? Minus 8. Here is not a ratio, just a unknown value only. I hope everyone understood. So we done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 18. Tell me next question which one you have doubt. Let me know. Question number 16th one. Question number 16th one. Yeah. Last year asked it. 16th one. 16th one. 16th one. K equal to minus 8 is the answer. Here equal to 0 is there. Don't forget. K equal to minus 8. Question number 16th one. You know what is centroid formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Centroid means center of gravity. This is what x1, y1, z1. This is what x2, y2, z2. And this is what x3, y3, z3. Then centroid. Centroid. What is centroid? Tell me. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Finally what? z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. 1 minute. That is going to the 3-dimensional geometry. This only we wrote, no? Sorry. Here we have only, sorry. No. You have only 2-dimensional, no? Sorry. It is 3-dimensional 11th and 12th. Because in 10th and 12th, sorry, 11th and 12th, this chapter is running now. So 2-dimensional x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is what we are calling centroid. If anybody needs, you can. Formula. Centroid formula. X value add by 2, y value add by 2, add by 3. That's what we are calling centroid. What answer is saying? Question number 16th one. 16th one. X value add by 3, y value add by 3. Two vertices of a triangle given of you. If you want one triangle, you can draw. 16th one. This is 3 minus 5. Second vertex is given. minus 7, 4. Third vertex is not given. We can call x3, y3. Can I? Given that centroid equal to 2 comma minus 1. Given that centroid equal to 2 comma minus 1. This is your x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. x3, y3 already we took. Centroid equal to 2 comma minus 1. What is the centroid formula? Tell me. What is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That centroid is given 2 comma minus 1. Substitute whatever value you know. Then equate first equal to first, second equal to second. You know the value x1. x1 how much? 3 plus minus 5 plus x3. Minus 10. 3 plus minus 10 plus x3 by 3. Comma y1 minus 5 plus 4 plus y3 by 3 equal to 2 comma minus 1. Now first equal to first, second equal to second. Ordered pair equate. Now anybody have doubt to tell me? First equal to first. Minus 4 plus x3 by 3 equal to 2 because 3 plus minus 1 minus 4. Second part, minus 1 plus y3 by 3 equal to minus 1. First equal to first, second equal to second. Jumana, this equal to this equal to this. Okay. Got the answer? Now simplification. Equal to 6. X equal to x3 equal to 10. Here minus 1 plus y3 equal to minus 3. y3 equal to minus 3 plus 1 y2. Therefore, third vertex is what? 10 comma minus 2. 10 comma minus 2. 10 comma minus 2. Next question. 17th one. But we don't have that much time. Maximum time we have to utilize. This module we have to finish today because joining the Amad, anybody waiting you outside? Always you are looking the. You want to play along with my kids? Huh? The KG2 one is there. Question number 17th one. I mean, don't touch on my board. Question number 17th one.
Sir.
If two adjacent vertices of a parallelogram, please draw the parallelogram. Please draw the parallelogram. Please draw the parallelogram. I'm calling 3, 2. Question number 17th one. Adjacent vertices only given. B minus 1, 0. If you want, you can keep up also. Adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices means either A and B or A and C. And here C and here D. This much is given. Diagonal intersect at the point 2 comma minus 5. Diagonal intersect at the point 2 comma minus 5. So good question. This point normally we are calling O. 2 comma minus 5. They're asking other two vertices. Good question. Everybody passed ninth, no? Or you got a promotion? Simply. Some offer they given, undertaking and all. Done. Ninth standard you learn. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So, now hospital. See, you people are having this side equal to what this side, this side equal to what this side. That means O is the midpoint of what AC. Can I write? O is the midpoint of AC I'm calling this is what A, AB. This I'm calling what? CD. Draw the diagram. After that, I'll tell you. Draw the diagram. Hello. Oh. We know that. We know that. We know that. Diagonals of the parallelogram. We know that diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. We know that diagonals of the parallelogram bisect means equally divide. That's the midpoint. We know that diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. That is O is the midpoint of AC. That is O is the midpoint of AC. That is O is the midpoint of AC and BD. O is the midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD. Now all of you listen carefully. Don't write anything. Midpoint formula I am applying. Don't get confused. Everyone please listen. Now this is AC. O is the midpoint. Therefore by midpoint formula, don't write it. Midpoint formula, listen carefully. All of you listen carefully. Some step I'll skip, that's why. What is this? 3. What is this? A. Can I say this plus this by 2 equal to first value? Like that only the midpoint we people are finding. Midpoint we people are finding what? X1 plus X2 by 2 equal to first value. Am I right? Tell me, what is the second one? Y1 plus, please Chris, when I'm explaining, please listen here. See, X1 plus X2 by 2 first value, Y1 plus Y2 by 2 is what? Second value. Same way other diagonal also. I told you don't write it. Okay, help me. Before my midpoint formula, what plus what by 2 equal to what? Tell me. 3 plus A by 2 equal to 2. Tell me second part. Tell me. 2 plus B by 2 equal to minus 5. Again I repeat. First value plus first value by 2 equal to first value. Second value plus, same way the other side also we want to do. Okay, we can simplify it. Tell me. 3 plus A equal to 4. A equal to how much? 1. Who told 7? Jivika. I'll take your Jivika. See, 2 plus B equal to minus 10. B equal to how much? Minus 12. So you got the C coordinate 1 comma minus 12. Same way you can do here. Tell me, same way, tell me. 0 plus D by 2. Correct, you know? Sorry. X value first. Tell me, X value, tell me. Minus 1 plus D by 2 equal to 2. 0 plus D by 2 equal to minus 5. That you try. Please make it fast. You finished? Tasanda? You improved. Any bird is there? That bird, which one was there in our online class? Your sound only that came? Yeah. That do. Therefore, by midpoint formula, this one. Simply don't copy from the board. Understand and write quickly. Also, second part also you do. Do the second part. Do the second part. Do the second part. What is second part? Tell me. What plus what by 2? Tell me. Minus 1 plus c by 2 equal to 2. 0 plus d by 2 equal to minus 5. C equal to 4 plus 1. Am I right? 5. D equal to how much? Minus 10. So the fourth vertex we got how much? C comma D, 5 comma minus 10. Very quickly, last question. Do it. Finish? So sitting along with him, no? Some energy will get. Done. 13, 14 we need time. 14 we'll see. 13th question. Or we can do 13th, 12th, everything same only. We can do 12th question. Please draw the diagram. 12th question. Again, parallelogram, everyone. 12th question, parallelogram. Same concept only. Don't use distance formula. Please draw quickly. Question number 12th one. 12 and 13, same concept only. For the MCQ, I told you on technique also. You have to join this. A given 3 minus 4. B minus 1 minus 3. The school portion is over, everyone. Hey, draw the diagram. I didn't ask anything. Draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. They are asking fourth vertex. Whose parents is keeping alarm? This much you quickly there. All of you done? Don't use distance formula. The same concept only will use. Join AC and BD. That you write first. Join AC and BD. Next line. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. What is midpoint of AC? Oh, what is midpoint of BD? Oh, that's why what? Oh, that's why what I wrote. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Both are same. That first you write. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. This question chances the for MCQ and descriptive. Be careful. MCQ some shortcut I told you. I don't know whether you remember or not. This plus this minus this. This plus this minus this. Then that will be your value. Anyway, later will tell you when I'm discussing MCQ. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Tell me midpoint of AC. What plus what by 2? What plus what by 2? Midpoint of AC. Tell me. 3 plus minus 6 by 2. Midpoint of AC. 3 plus minus 6 by 2. Comma. 3 plus minus 6 by 2, comma. Midpoint of AC. Tell me. Minus 4 plus 2 by 2. This is what midpoint of AC. Already you wrote midpoint of AC same as what midpoint of BD. This is midpoint of AC. Now midpoint of BD. Tell me. Midpoint of BD. Tell me what plus what by 2. Midpoint of BD. Minus 1 plus x by 2, comma. Minus 3 plus y by 2. So midpoint of AC same as what midpoint of BD. That's what I wrote. Now simplify. Minus 3 by 2, comma. Minus 2 by 2. Minus 1 plus x by 2. Now need to simplify. This much you write. Now what equal to what? Tell me what equal to what? First equal to first. Second equal to second. So minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 1 plus x by 2. Minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 3 plus y by 2. 2 by 2 actually didn't cancel. What is the reason? We can directly cancel what? This and this cancelled. This and this cancelled. Now simplify. Minus 3 plus 1 equal to x. What is x equal to? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 equal to y. It is a very important question. So y equal to 1. What is the fourth vertex? Tell me. Therefore d equal to minus 2 comma 1. Successfully we completed our distance formula and section formula. This chapter completely. I think in our topic completed finished chapter 1 is probability. One is this chapter. Real numbers we didn't finish. Only we proof type only we discussed. and statistics mean is remaining. Am I right? Median and the mode we discussed. Okay, that's all. Bye. Good night. Take care. Sleep, Tiny. Quadrilateral.